Can death begin in the colon? Colon cancer kills more men and women in America than breast cancer, prostate cancer and AIDS. A staggering health fact to be sure. If allowed to deteriorate, a failing digestive system, polluted intestinal tract and diseased colon can cause serious illness and death in anyone alive today. Do you need to cleanse? The average person uses only 10% of the nutrients in their food. Over the past 75 years, the standard American diet, lifestyles and environment have changed dramatically, placing a huge burden on our eliminative systems. Colon cleansing is one of the most important steps and usually the most overlooked when attempting to flatten the waistline, improve the immune, digestive and eliminative systems, help certain health problems, and achieve optimum health.